Are you tired of the same old boring school lunches? Let's make lunchtime an exciting adventure with these fun and easy recipes. First up, quick and customizable sandwich roll-ups. Gently flatten the bread, then spread on some creamy cheese. Add your favorite deli meat and fresh veggies for a burst of flavor. Roll it up tightly, then slice into bite-sized pinwheels. Perfect for little hands and big appetites. Next, let's get fruity with these healthy and delicious skewers. Carefully cut the fruits into chunks, ready for threading. Mix up a simple yogurt dip for an extra treat. Kids can help thread the colorful fruit onto skewers. A rainbow of flavors ready to enjoy. Finally, let's make personalized mini pizzas. Spread on some delicious tomato sauce, then sprinkle with cheese. Add your favorite kid-friendly toppings like pepperoni or bell peppers. Pop them in the oven until golden and bubbly. Each bite is a burst of cheesy goodness. Making lunch can be an adventure. Try these easy recipes. Enjoy your delicious homemade meals and happy cooking.